Today I am reviewing COOLHOOD 65-inch 4K Smart Board. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The COOLHOOD 65-inch Smart Board is a remarkable fusion of technology, design, and productivity, making it one of the most advanced interactive whiteboards available today. Designed with a stunning 4K UHD touchscreen display, it delivers crystal-clear visuals at a resolution of 3,840 by 2160 pixels. The large 65-inch screen gives you ample space for presentations, brainstorming sessions, or classroom teaching, making it ideal for business meetings, educational environments, or even creative home studios. This display doesn't just impress with size, it combines functionality with performance. Featuring an advanced octa-core processor and Android 13, the system operates with seamless efficiency, and the generous 128 gigabytes of storage allows you to install apps, store files, and work without interruptions. This means you can rely on the Smart Board to handle heavy-duty tasks such as interactive lessons, video conferencing, collaborative planning, and multimedia presentations with ease. The COOLHOOD Smart Board shines when it comes to enhancing collaboration. With its 20-point multi-touch capability, multiple users can work together simultaneously, whether it's annotating documents, designing layouts, or brainstorming ideas. Its built-in wireless screen sharing capabilities work across platforms, including Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android, ensuring compatibility and flexibility in modern work or classroom settings. You can effortlessly share files, stream content, or present material without needing additional hardware, and with features like smart voting, timers, and quick screenshot tools, the workflow becomes much more interactive and efficient. For teams and classrooms, this capability transforms the Smart Board from a simple display into a collaborative hub that makes decision-making faster and more engaging. Another feature that stands out is the wireless QR code file sharing system. Instead of juggling USB drives or network folders, you can instantly share files, presentations, or notes by simply scanning a QR code on your smartphone or device. This is especially useful in education or corporate settings where efficiency is key. While the Smart Board comes with a wall mount, a stand is available separately, allowing flexibility for different room layouts and setups. Whether mounted in a classroom, boardroom, or home office, it's designed to blend seamlessly with your environment. The video conferencing capabilities of the COOLHOOD Smart Board are exceptional, supporting platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. This integration makes it an ideal choice for hybrid work models, remote learning, and international collaboration. The board's ultra-responsive touch system, with a 6-millisecond response time and plus or minus 1 millimeter precision, makes writing and annotating feel natural, almost like pen on paper. Whether you are sketching ideas, editing diagrams, or marking up a presentation, the responsiveness is fluid, allowing for a smooth user experience without noticeable lag. This precision makes the Smart Board particularly appealing to educators, designers, and professionals who rely on accurate input. The COOLHOOD Smart Board also comes with an open app ecosystem and cloud storage support, giving you the freedom to customize its capabilities to suit your needs. You can download apps directly to the board, store files in the cloud, and access them instantly when needed. This flexibility enhances productivity while ensuring your work is safe and easily accessible. In addition, built-in features like blue light filtering and high-quality speakers make long sessions more comfortable, whether for a classroom lecture or a corporate training session. The inclusion of HDMI, USB Type-C, and USB Type-B ports ensures connectivity with a wide range of devices, making it a truly versatile tool. Overall, the COOLHOOD 65-inch Smart Board offers a unique combination of performance, versatility, and collaboration features. It's not just a display. It's a complete interactive solution designed to improve productivity, encourage creativity, and transform communication in professional and educational spaces. Whether you are upgrading your office setup, modernizing a classroom, or enhancing your home workspace, this smart digital whiteboard is a powerful investment that delivers lasting value. Its combination of sleek design, powerful processing, intuitive touch technology, and seamless integration into modern workflows makes it one of the most compelling interactive whiteboards available today.